Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create breathtaking AI images that look like they were made by a professional artist, this video is for you. Today, I'm giving you a complete step-by-step walkthrough of Leonardo AI's image tool, one of the most powerful and easy-to-use image generators out there. We'll go from signing in to generating stunning visuals, and I'll explain every single option inside the tool so you can master it like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.ai. If you're new, click Sign Up and create your free account using your email or Google login, your main creative workspace. On the left-hand menu, you'll see several tools. Click on Image. Once you click it, the Image tool opens on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. At the top, you'll see the Model selection. By default, it's set to Phoenix 1.0. One of Leonardo's most powerful and balanced models for general image creation. You can switch to other models if you need a different look later, but for now, let's keep Phoenix selected. Just below that, there's Prompt Enhance. This setting helps automatically refine your prompt for better AI understanding. If you leave it on Auto, Leonardo decides when to enhance your prompt, but you can also set it manually to Off if you want full creative control. Next, you'll find Style. Here you can choose how dynamic or subtle your image should look. For example, the dynamic style gives bold colors and high contrast, while natural gives softer, more realistic tones. Under that, you'll see contrast. This controls how strong the visual depth appears in your image. You can keep it on medium for balanced lighting, or choose low for softer visuals and high for dramatic contrast. Now let's move to the Generation Mode section. You'll find three options: Fast, Quality, and Ultra. Fast mode gives you quick results for idea testing. Quality provides a more detailed render with better lighting. And Ultra gives you the most advanced output, ideal for professional visuals or print quality work. Remember, Quality and Ultra modes use premium credits, so use them when you really want perfection. Next is Image Dimensions. Here you can set your aspect ratio. For example, 2:3 for portraits, 1:1 for square Instagram posts, 16:9 for landscape YouTube thumbnails, or select Custom if you need specific dimensions. Below that, you can choose the size of your output image, small, medium, or large. Large gives sharper detail but takes slightly longer to generate. Then you can choose the number of images Leonardo should generate at once, anywhere from 1 to 4. For testing, I recommend generating 4 images, so you can pick your favorite variation later. You'll also see Private Mode. Turning this on ensures your generations remain visible only to you, great for client work or confidential projects. Below that is the Add to Collection section, where you can directly save your generated images into specific folders or projects for better organization. Now, let's open the Advanced Settings. Here you'll find more powerful options to fine-tune your results. At the top, you can once again select your model if you want to switch from Phoenix to something like Leonardo Diffusion or Dream Shaper. Then you'll see Photo Real Mode. Toggle this on to make your results look ultra-realistic, especially for portraits, architecture, and product photography. Next is Negative Prompt. This is where you tell the AI what to avoid. For example, type blurry, distorted faces, extra fingers, bad anatomy. This helps you get clean and accurate images every time. Transparency allows you to generate images with a transparent background, perfect for logos, cutouts, or design assets. And tiling creates seamless repeating patterns, ideal for fabric textures, wallpapers, or game design. And Use Fixed Seed ensures the AI produces consistent results every time you use the same prompt, great for testing or version control. At the very bottom, you'll find a Reset to Defaults button, which resets all settings back to their original state. Now, let's move to the main dashboard area. This is where you actually type your prompt and see your output. In the prompt box, type exactly what you want to create. For example, a futuristic city skyline glowing at sunset, flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, 8K resolution. If you want to use an image as a reference, you can upload it by clicking Upload Image. This helps the AI understand your visual direction. Once you're ready, click Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI-generated images will appear in the output area below. You can click on any image to open it in detail, upscale it for higher resolution, or remove the background instantly. If you like your result, click Download or Add to Collection to keep it organized. And that's how you use the Leonardo AI image tool, from sign-in to creating professional-level artwork in just minutes. This tool is perfect for digital artists, designers, marketers, and creators who want stunning visuals without complicated software. So go ahead and try it out. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and dimensions to find your signature look. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what kind of Leonardo AI tutorial you want next, whether